Founded in 1998, Chongqing Hensim Group is a professional enterprise integrating motorcycle research and development, manufacturing, sales, and service. Now it is developed into a comprehensive cross-industry large group company covering motorcycles and engines, steel, logistics, medicine, real estate, finance, and other industries. Hensim Group has strong engine R&D and production capacity, with modern automated assembly lines, metallic graphic, physical and chemical analysis, 3-coordinate detectors, AC and DC power dynamometers, and other professional equipment. Hensim has created advanced protection and excellent quality control capabilities. The products include 50 to 400 cc motorcycle engines of 2-wheel, 3-wheel, and 4-wheel, with an annual production capacity of more than 500,000 units. Hensim Group's motorcycle products are based on the concept of advanced technology, excellent quality, and innovation-driven. It mainly develops and produces high-quality road and off-road vehicles, cars, ATVs, and other unique motorcycles with independent intellectual property rights. The annual motorcycle production capacity exceeds 200,000 units. There are 6 series and more than 80 varieties of products. Hensim Group has a strict and standardized quality management system and has obtained ISO 9001 CQC quality certification, US EPA DOT, European EEC and CE, and CCC compulsory certification. Hensim Group's products are well known and sell well in China, the USA, Europe, Southeast Asia, Africa, South America, the Middle East, and other countries and regions. Perseverance and win in the right way. That makes Hensim Group.